Kiddo time.
Baby bear, what do you see? Baby bear, what do you see? I see a red fox sleeping by me. Red fox, what do you see? I see a flying squirrel gliding by me. Flying squirrel, what do you see? I see a mountain goat climbing near me. Mountain goat, what do you see? I see a blue heron flying by me. Blue heron, what do you see? I see a prairie dog digging by me. Prairie dog, what do you see? I see a striped skunk strutting by me. Striped skunk, what do you see? I see a mule deer running by me. Mule deer, what do you see? I see a rattlesnake sliding by me. Rattlesnake, what do you see? I see a screech owl hooting at me. Screech owl, what do you see? I see a mama bear looking at me. Mama bear, what do you see? I see a red fox, a flying squirrel, a mountain goat, a blue heron, a prairie dog, a striped skunk, a mule deer, a rattlesnake, a screech owl, and my baby bear looking at me. That's what I see. On the farm.
Kiddo time.
Rooster spies the sun's first ray, crowing loud to start the day. Cock-a-doodle-doo! Lamb stays close to Mommy Ewe, walking through the morning dew. Bah, bah. Ducks are splashing in the lake, drying their feathers. Wiggle, shake. Quack, 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 quack. Horses munch on yummy hay, playing in the field all day. Nay, nay. Little piggies hide from the sun, rolling in mud in so much fun. Oink, 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 oink. Rabbit spies some leaves to munch. Such a tasty little lunch. Cow looks up at the bright blue sky, flicking her tail at a pesky fly. Mmm, mmm. Ants run round, No time to play. Lots of eggs to lay today. Dog heads scatter where they go, pushing them in, nice and slow. Woof woof, woof woof. Farmer looks around the yard. His animals have all walked out. Good night, fam.